Hello, traders. Today is Monday, May 4th, and this is my analysis for the US dollar Swiss, and we're starting on the daily time frame. So on the dollar Swiss, we are definitely still in a downtrend, and if this really is a wave C, then this will keep on going down, like I've been saying. It will go down and take out these lows right here. This move up right here could just be a pullback within a downtrend. The problem is that I still think there's a chance the dollar index could turn up. If the dollar index turns up for several weeks, then this possibly will turn up for several weeks also. So we'll see what this ends up turning into. It could end up being like a wave A, a wave B, and a wave C. But there's no real proof that it's going up yet. Just because we're finding support here doesn't mean that that's proof enough. This could just be a little pullback within a downtrend. So taking it down to the 1 hour time frame. Yes, on the 1 hour time frame, we are getting to the point where we're about to break structure. But this break of structure only proves to me that this wave right here is over. If it breaks that structure, there's only two things that can really happen. It, excuse me, it could either make a pullback to this move down, meaning that it would potentially go to a Fibonacci level like this and then turn back down, or if it really is a bottom and the dollar index really is turning up, then it might still bounce at fib levels, but it would just keep on making higher highs, higher lows. So if it breaks and holds above this area right here, I would definitely become much, much more bullish. And you would hopefully be learning and earning whether this is a reversal on the 1 hour or whether it goes to a Fibonacci retracement level like one of these Fibonacci levels, and then breaks to the downside, and then continues the downtrend. So anyways, don't forget to like and subscribe, and as always, thank you for watching, and happy trading.